and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.
Open the latest Filmora 14. Click this 3 dots button. Look for Auto Beat Sync. Import the videos that you have. Now change the duration. It could be less than all the clips presented, but not exceeding the total duration of all clips combined. Now import your chosen background music. You may also add video effects if you want. Once done, you may now click Analyze to start.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
You may still reanalyze if it's not good enough for you.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
If the Auto Beat Sync is good for you, you may now add the output to your timeline. Since it's holiday season, Filmora 14 has updated the list of their assets and stock media. Go and try them out. I am going to pick this asset for Winter or White Christmas since it's the theme of my edit.
Jingle Bell Square. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.